Hello and welcome to the Office Superheroes channel. My name is Nicholas, and in this short video tutorial we're going to show you how to separate names really quickly and easily in Excel. It's really simple and we're only going to need a few clicks to do it. So let's go ahead and demonstrate. In the last video, we showed how to merge names or headings from multiple cells into one. Now we're going to show the opposite procedure, how to separate titles in one cell into multiple cells. First, we need to select the data we want to separate. That is, this row that contains the first and last name. We click on the Data tab, which is located on the top bar. We go to Data Tools. We select the function, Text to Columns. A pop-up window will appear. Select Delimited. Use this option if we have items separated by a comma or space. Click the Next button. Now we need to select the characters that separate the data in the table. In our table, we have data separated by a comma and a space. So we check comma and space. Since we have two delimiters, we check the box, Treat consecutive delimiters as one. If we've done this correctly, we can move on. We click on the button, Next. We come to the last step. We need to set the destination where Excel will place the names with the delimiters. Now we have the destination cell set to column B3, which would mean that we would overwrite the data in that column. Since we want to keep this data from the column, we'll change this target. We remove the default target location and select cell C3. Click on Finish. Then click OK button. Done. The names have been immediately separated by Excel. Was it easy though? Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful to you. If so, let us know via comment or liking. Are you interested in other videos on how to quickly learn how to work with Excel? In that case, don't forget to subscribe. That's all for me. I'm Nicholas from Office Superheroes, and I hope to see you in the next video.